Hello, bachcho. The question says here, if both assertion and reason are true and reason is not a correct explanation of assertion. Second option hai, if the both assertion and reason are true or correct, but the explanation is not correct. Reason is not correct explanation of assertion. Third, if assertion is true but reason is false. Fourth, assertion is false, reason is true. Here, आपका assertion है, if the electric bulb become dim and electric bulb become dim when the electric heater in a parallel circuit is switched on. Reason है dimness decreases after some time. Here the key concept, यहाँ पे आपका key concept है basically in parallel combination the potential difference is same but the current is different. And one more key concept है कि resistance of a heater is less than resistance of the bulb wire से heater wire का resistance कम है. And second key concept is suppose this is a heater and this is a bulb, so you know that कि करंट विल चूज द पाथ ऑफ लो रेजिस्टेंस. तो हीटर का रेजिस्टेंस कम है, तो इनिशियली व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन, बिकॉज ऑफ द लो रेजिस्टेंस पाथ मोर करंट विल फ्लो थ्रू द हीटर. तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हीटर में करंट फ्लो होगा एज कंपेयर टू बल्ब. हियर एज कंपेयर टू bulb, it means that more and more current will pass through the heater and causes the current in the bulb to decrease. Initially more and more current will pass, initially more current will pass through the heater, more current will pass through the heater and low current will pass through the bulb. तो बल्ब में से लो करंट पास होगा. व्हाट डज इट मीन, बल्ब में से करंट पास होगा लो, तो बल्ब विल बिकम अ डिम. बल्ब विल बिकम अ डिम, तो डिमनेस विल रिजल्टिंग इन द डिमनेस. इसका मतलब योर assertion is correct. Bulb will become dim, there will be the low current, electric bulb become dim because of there is a parallel combination, current कम मिलेगा. And reason is dimness decreases after some time. The reason dimness decreases after some time is correct. Dimness will decreases after some time. Why the dimness decreases after some time, this is not given here. So dimness decreases, assertion का correct explanation नहीं है. Reason is also correct, assertion is also correct, but this reason is not a correct explanation of assertion. as you know that कि जब बहुत ज़्यादा करंट पास होगा हीटर से, हीटर coil will heats up large and large amount, and then उसका रेजिस्टेंस भी इंक्रीज होना चालू करेगा. इट्स इंक्रीजेस, इट्स रेजिस्टेंस स्टार्ट इंक्रीजिंग. अगर वहां पे रेजिस्टेंस इंक्रीज होना स्टार्ट करेगा, देन मोर करंट विल स्टार्ट फ्लोइंग थ्रू द बल्ब. मोर करंट विल फ्लो थ्रू द बल्ब. व्हाट डज इट मीन, तो बल्ब का डिमनेस कम हो जाएगा, डिमनेस विल डिक्रीज. So this is the reason correct explanation. Is what does it mean? Your assertion is correct, your reason is also correct, but reason is not correct explanation of assertion in this question. So the correct choice is option 2. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck.